Welcome to this tutorial on how to show your former name at the top of your Facebook profile on PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook and log into your account. Step 2. Locate your profile photo at the top right corner and click on it to access your profile. Step 3. Click on the About section to view your profile details. Step 4. Inside the Details About You tab, find the option to add a nickname under Other Names and click on it. Step 5. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Former Name as the type of name. Step 6. Type in your former name in the designated field. Step 7. Make sure to check the option that says Show at the top of profile to ensure your former name is prominently displayed. Step 8. Finally, click on Save to update your profile and make the changes take effect. By following these simple steps, you can proudly showcase your former name at the top of your Facebook profile on PC. Thank you for watching this tutorial.